welcome back to another Crochet by James tutorial. Like I said last week, I'm back, I'm ready to go. This week we're going to start on rows 4 and 5 of the Peppermint Afghan. We're going to do the edging 4 and 5, and then next week we'll do edging 6, and we'll do the little square motifs, and then the video after that, the final video, we'll be putting it all together. I'll show you how to do that. Don't forget, from last week's video, I had the special announcement that if we can get our YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers, then the Peppermint Afghan that I'm making in the video, I'll be doing a giveaway and give that Afghan away to one of our 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So make sure to share it with your friends, share it with your family, subscribe. You'll also want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well, because I'll be posting some more stuff as there as well. So without further ado, let's grab our hook and yarn and let's get started. Alright guys, so we've got our hook and our peppermint ready to go. We're going to start on edging number 4. So we're going to work in front of the bee, which is the red. We're going to skip the first double crochet, slip stitch into the next double crochet, and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to double crochet in the next 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain 5 space. So 1 and 2. Now and 2. So now we're going to be working behind the bee or the red. We're going to do 4 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. So we'll start with 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. So now again, we're working in front of this red into the white. So we're going to double crochet in the next 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to work behind the red into the white, and we're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and we're going to repeat. We're going to do all that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, my bad, and 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. So then we're going to go back and we're going to do the double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then working behind the red into the white, we're going to 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. That was our second time. So now we've got to do it 2 more times. So we're going to double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, working behind the red. We're going to 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, and 3. One more time with 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Working behind that red, we're going to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So that made a total of the 4 times that we needed to do that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work in front of the B. We're going to work in front of that red. We're going to skip the next double crochet and double crochet in the next 4 again like we have been. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now is where it gets different. We're going to work behind that red into the white. We're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now that we've done that, we're going to again work in front of the red into the white. We're going to double crochet in the next 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. But now again, this time, like in the beginning, we're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain 5 stitch right here. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to go behind the red into the white. We're going to do 6 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now that we've got that completed, we're going to actually repeat that one more time. So we're going to work in front of the red into the white. We're going to do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets in that chain 5 space. So 1, 2, and then we're going to go behind the red into that white, and that's where we're going to do the 6 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we're just going to slip stitch into the top of that first chain 3, and then here you've got your edging number 4. You can fasten off, and as you'll see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners made, and then you have this rounded edge. So this lets us know that the rounded edge is going to be on one of the outside edges, and then the corners are going to be on the inside, connecting to either a square or another peppermint that we have. So we've done edging 4. Now we're going to move on to edging number 5. Alright, so now we're at edging number 5. We've got the white yarn back on our hook. We're going to skip that first double crochet again, slip stitch into that next one. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So 2 double crochets into that same stitch. So 1 and 2. Now into the next one, we're going to double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. So 1 double, chain 2, and 1 double right into that same stitch. Now we're going to double crochet in the next, and then we're going to double crochet in that chain 5 space. Now we're going to work behind the red into the white, and we're going to do 4 double crochets in that space. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to work in front of B. We're going to skip the first double crochet, We're going to double crochet in the next 2, so 1, 2. Then we're going to do a double crochet, chain 3 and double, all in that same stitch. So double, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then another double in that same stitch to make that corner. Then we're going to double crochet in the next and double crochet in that chain 5 space. Working behind the red into the white, we're going to do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that was one time. We're going to do it one more time for a total of 2. So we're going to skip the first double crochet in the next 2. 1, 2, and in that next stitch we're going to do a double crochet, chain 3, and another double crochet. Then we're going to double crochet in the next and double crochet in that chain 5 space. And then we're going to go behind the red into the white and double crochet 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to work in front of the red. We're going to double crochet into the next 2. So 1 and 2. Now in the next one you're going to double crochet, but you're only going to chain 2. So 1, 2, and then a double crochet into that same stitch. Then we're going to double crochet in the next, and we're going to do 2 double crochets into this chain 5 space. So 1, 2. Now we're going to work behind the red, and we're going to do 6 into this space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to double crochet in the next 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double in the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, and then we're going to do 6 double crochets behind this red. We're going to do that for a total of 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that was once. Again, we're going to do double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double crochet in that chain 5 space. 1, 2, working behind the red into the white. We're going to do 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That was 2 times. So just going for it again, we're going to do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 double crochet in the chain 5 space. 1, 2. Again, working behind the red into the white. 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That was 3 times. We just got to do it once more. So 4 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 double crochet in the chain 5 space. 1, 2, and then behind the red into the white, finishing off with 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're just going to slip stitch to that beginning chain, and you're done with edging number 5. Alright guys, so we finished edging number 4 and edging number 5. You'll want to do 9 peppermints with edging number 4 and 2 peppermints with edging number 5. So in the edging number 5, you can see here we only have, if I'm correct, we only have 3 corners and the rest is rounded. So edging 5 and 6 are actually our corner pieces of our Afghan. So 5 will be, I believe it's the top left and the bottom right, and then 6 will be opposite. So that's why for the majority of 5 and 6, you'll have this rounded piece, because those will actually be, those won't be connecting to anything. Those will be on the outside of the Afghan. So that finishes up edging number 4 and 5. Next time we'll go with edging number 6 to finish off the peppermints, and then we'll show you how to make the small motifs. We'll need to make 30 of those, and those actually go in between each of the peppermints. And then our very last video is when we will come back and put it all together. Again, make sure that you are subscribed, hit the like button, hit the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Make sure to tell your friends and family. If we can get to 1,000 subscribers, then I would give away this peppermint Afghan that I'm working on to one of the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and as always, happy crocheting.